Hi guys. Let me see if there's a way. No, I didn't want to get rid of that. Um, I wanted to make this big screen. Oh, well, that's a little bit bigger. Well, anyway, I'll just talk from here. So I'm kind of small in the corner of the screen. Um, I wanted to teach today's math lesson. It's a review over something that we've already learned, and it is counting by 1's, by 5's, and by 10's. So I have some examples here that I want to go over, and hopefully this will help you so that whenever it's your turn, you will do good and you'll know exactly what I want you to do. So first we have a problem where we have to count by 1's, and it says it right here, count by 1's. So they already started off the numbers for us. They have 63, 64, 65. Well, I know that if I'm counting by 1's and I have 65, then the next number would be 66. So counting by 1's is literally just counting, like we learn how to do counting. So 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So if I counted by 1's, that's what I should have. Let me check my answers and let's see. Yep, got them all right. All right, so that is counting by 1's. Let's look at a problem where we have to count by 5's. And again, they started out for you. So we have 10, 15, 20. We've counted by 5's a lot of times, so I think you guys will be really good at this. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. And then let's check this one also. Perfect. All right, and then the last one, we are counting by 10's. So let's look here. All right, they start us off again. They have 44, 54, 64. So when I look at this, this gets a little bit harder. So the place that changes is this 10's place. So the 10's place is changing. The 1's place is staying the same. So each of these numbers ends with 4, 44, 54, 64. So I know that that 6 is going to change. That 10's place is going to change. 34, that'd be less. 84, it's a little too much. These other numbers are too much also. 74 would be what would be next because 70 comes after 60. And then, like I said, that 1's place is the same. So they're counting by 10's. 44, 54, 64, 74. Then we have 84. And then 94. And then it gets a little harder after this because that 9 is going to go up in that 10's place, and that is going to be like a 10. Instead of that 9, it would be 10 with a 4 after it. That would be 104. So 104. And then after that, we have the hundreds place, the 10's place, and the 1's place because we've gotten into a bigger number where it's in the hundreds. But we still are not changing anything in the hundreds place or the 1's place because we're not counting by hundreds, we're not counting by 1's, we're counting by 10's like you see right here. So the 10's place is going to change. That means that 0 in 104 is going to go up 1, and it's going to be 114 after that. So let's check it and make sure. All right. So your work that you have to do is going to be a little bit different. You will not drag your answers. You will just have multiple choices where you have to finish the pattern. So instead of dragging them, you'll just click them. But I hope that this video helped a little bit, and I will be doing this every day for our math lessons. So I'll be back on here tomorrow. Comment if you have any questions. All right, and let me see. I gotta keep figuring out how to